Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Govee lights not connecting to Bluetooth. So Bluetooth range is one of the biggest issues with the Govee smart lights. So you need to first of all bring your phone much closer to the lights during the setup. The walls, furniture and other wireless devices can beacon the Bluetooth signal and stop the application from detecting the lights properly. Now, many people forget that Govee application usually requires Bluetooth and the phone location permissions to discover the nearby devices. So if either of the settings is disabled, the lights may never appear inside the application even though they are powered on. Now you need to power cycle both the devices as well. For that you need to unplug the Govee lights for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. At the same time, you need to restart your phone completely to refresh the Bluetooth services and clear temporary connection glitches. Now, if the lights were connected before, old Bluetooth pairings can interfere with the reconnection. So inside the Govee application or on your phone's Bluetooth settings, you just have to simply remove the old Govee device, forget previous pairings, and then you need to start the setup process again from the scratch. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.